What's up guys, it's Shakela and I'm back once again with another video. So today guys, I'm gonna be doing a dorm room tour for you guys. I'm very excited about this because when I tell y'all my dorm room this year, it just eats down, like eats down baby. I'm gonna be doing that for you guys. I'm only gonna give you guys a tour of my side, not the side of my roommate, which is my friend Jessica's, but just my side, and y'all can get like the perspective of what my theme was going for. It's super cute, and if you want to see like a quick overview of it, go follow me on TikTok at LaylaSanai22. But I'm gonna be doing a nice little room tour for y'all so you can see what it's like, tell y'all where I got stuff from. It's yeah, because I ate with this room this year. So let's go ahead and give you guys a tour. Let's go. This is how it's looking. Okay, first let's start with the desk area. This is my desk right here, y'all. These desks are actually really wide, and I like that and I don't like that. Like, I don't like it because it's really hard for me to fit between my bed. It's like very tight, but I do like it because it's enough space to have a bunch of different things on the desk, which I do like. But this is the desk area. These are the chairs that came with the school. I hate these chairs so much. Like, they're so disgustingly dirty. Like, look at this. This is horrible. So I bought this little pillow from Home Goods to go on top here, sit on. It was $25, but it's super cute. It was very last minute buy. So here I just have my little lights right here. This is where like I do my makeup and my hair and get ready for the day. I love this. I had this last year in my room. And I brought it back home and used it all throughout the summer, and it works really good. It's worth the $40, but it was a gift, so I never paid for it. I have this super cute bow lamp, y'all. I got this from Marshall's. I definitely do not have a light bulb in there yet. I need to get one like this weekend. But I have like my little makeup organizer. So this is for like all my makeup brushes, lash stuff, and lip products. I got this in Home Goods. It has bows all on, as y'all can see. This right here, I love it. It's this cute little organizer. I have all my scrunchies and headbands in here. And then I have all makeup sponges and powder brushes in here, and all like everyday makeup stuff like that, and face creams. There you go. Then coming up here, I have this really cute clock I got from Amazon. I had to change the time because y'all, it was saying 17 hours, all that stuff. It was such telling military time, and I don't do that. Then I have this little lamp here. It's like a little projector lamp, the little sunset kind where it's like pink and orangey. Here's some extra school stuff that probably is not gonna stay up here for long. This little fake plant. My camera normally sits right here, so that's why the space is like a little empty. My fan, because let me tell you, the past few days has been hot, baby. Right here we have this little organizer I got from Home Goods as well. It all matches. You could really, if you really look in detail. So I have all my like EOS films, all that. I just set my AirPods up here for just a second. Look, my nail and my Bible, notebooks, my AirPod Maxes, my iPad. My phone is just in here for right now. It's just doing what it's want to do. I have this little tripod here. Here's the window. I will show you guys a view of my view from my window in a second, but I am on the 11th floor. Coming our way over here, this is my bed area, y'all. I absolutely love this area of the room. Like, look at these picture frames. I found these really cute prints on Etsy for like $8, so super cute. Do not mind the scratches. My lights have been falling like non-stop onto my pictures, and it's been messing the picture frames up. If they mess it real bad, I'm gonna buy me some more. But these pictures I got from Etsy. All I did was get like a digital download, and I went to Walmart and printed them up for like $20. And then I got the picture frames from Amazon for $25. I actually got a 6-pack because my roommate has hers on her side, but her side is the black colors. And then the lights, my mom ordered them off Amazon for both of us, and they were like $30 for 6. Okay, and then here's the bedding. I actually got my bed sheets and comforter from Home Goods, and they do have bows on them, as you can see. It's super cute. And then little bows here. This blanket right here I also got from TJ Maxx. It's so thick and so comfortable. I love it, and I love that it's pink bows on it specifically. I got these pillows right here from Target. They're actually pillow inserts, and I just bought the little covers from Amazon on here, and it looks so good. I told my roommate Jessica that she needs these pillows because they match her blanket perfectly. And then I got this big pink bow pillow from Home Goods. Super, super cute. It was $20, but it's worth $20. It's just such a cute decor piece. And then I have my headboard from last year. I got this from Wayfair for like $80, and I just am gonna reuse it every time I'm gonna be living in a dorm. And then this little bedside table that I got last year from my trunk party that my aunt got me. All you do is just like screw it to like the thing. It's real easy. It doesn't damage anything, which I love it, and it's very sturdy. Like it holds a whole Stanley cup perfectly fine. And I just put like my glasses up here and my AirPods before I go to sleep, so I don't drop them underneath my bed. So that's what I love about that. Here is the drawers that came with the, you know, the room. They're really deep. Up in the top drawer I just have like underwear, socks, bras, and pajamas. Second drawer is all like nice tops, and the bottom drawer is like shorts, jogger pants, and leggings. And then over here we just have like hair stuff, body care, feminine stuff, and this is all hair care. Like all, I don't have to touch this drawer yet until I take my braids out, so that's gonna be a little minute. And then here I just have my trunk and my stool to get on my bed because honey, it's hard to get on this bed because it's so high. And then I have some little storage containers down there that's extra. They do actually match those containers up there, but yeah, that's that. And then coming over here, this is my closet. I want to get like some cute stickies to put on this closet door. It'll be really cute, but you just go into the door. And my closet is full, baby. It's full. It's not the most organized like I would like it to be, but it's full of stuff. Extra snacks, Alani News, my little coffee cart, which I've been using every single day so far, water, all my jackets, coats, robes, all that, hamper, extra luggage, backpack, extra clothes. And here I have like purses and another blanket. I brought my printer this year because I wanted to be able to get stuff printed quicker, and we've been using this the past few days, really, for real. And there's extra school supplies, and then all like my laundry detergent and stuff like that, and all my shower stuff right there, and towels up here. That's it right there. And then we have this calendar. I bought this from Aldi's. It was like $6 for it, and it's really cute. Only just like did the first week because it's the last week of August we started school, and today is the 29th. And then I'm gonna erase this and start over for September because me and my roommate are both sharing this. We're gonna use it for like things together because we mostly have like the same classes. And then core we just put on the refrigerator, and microwave this little pumpkin and this little rose gold spider we got from Target in the dollar section, which is super, super cute. They gave us a microwave and a refrigerator. All in there is really just some protein shakes of Jessica, some water, and my coffee stuff. And then a freezer, my ice cream that's probably frostbitten now, and my ice cubes. And then here, just the door to go out. I just put these command strips here. My keys go here, her keys go here. Then we got a garbage can.
Welcome to college, B. This is gonna be a blast.
Ew. Sorry I'm late.
Okay guys, so that is it for my college dorm tour, y'all. I hope y'all like that. I really wish I could have put my face in the camera, but for real, y'all, like, it's super pretty, it's so gorgeous, it's so girly, it's so me, and I love that about it. So if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn notifications on so you guys can know if I ever post a video. Bye.